The mLIMS import tool is designed for importing new animals and cages into your system from Excel. Go to System Settings, Import Cages and Animals, and you will see our import tool. I encourage you to click on the step-by-step tutorial, which will take you through each step of the import process. Your first step is to download the Excel template. And when you download it, you will see that there is a full template for you on the third tab. If you do not need a field, you can simply delete it. However, animal name, status, live or dead, and cage name are required fields. All other fields are optional, and you do not need to fill them in. Let's have a look at a sample. You can see that I have my animal names and my genotypes and my strain names. Some notes about strains and genotypes. Make sure your strain names are consistent. If a strain is written two different ways but you mean the same thing, mLIMS will think it is two different strains. Also your genotypes. You can put them all in one column. If an animal has more than one genotype, simply separate them with a comma. Make sure that your gene name and your genotype are separated with a space. So let's look at this full example. I'm going to import all of the data in this example. Simply select all of your columns and cells and copy them. You may then go to the mLIMS import tool and paste. And do make sure that you have chosen one column for your genes and genotypes. Once you click Submit, mLIMS is going to analyze your data and look for anything that may not match. Here it has found an unknown header. It will find the closest match. However, you can simply scroll and see if there are green check marks and if it matches up with what you are trying to import. You will see an exclamation point if it does not know what the header is. In this example, I have a custom field called Lab Results, and mLIMS does not know that this is a field that you're creating, so simply click Create Custom Field. However, do make sure that it does not exist in the system before selecting that custom field. Also note that it'll be related to animal or cage, so as you go across, make sure that everything is connecting to cage or animal, and you can see everything here is checking out. When you are ready, click Continue. And now I have cage purpose. mLIMS does not understand, so let's have a look again at the cage purpose. And you can see that I have two of them here. So I simply need to change this one to cage type and make sure that it matches the header. I can now continue. Verify the data. This is a preview that mLIMS is showing you. Just check to make sure that you have entered your data correctly and click the Import button. In just a few moments, your data is imported, and do note that your genes and genotypes will be imported as well. So here are my newly imported animals, and you can see that everything that I wanted imported into mLIMS. Follow our step-by-step guide, and if you have any questions at all, you can contact us.